got green juice for this mukbang. Yeah. Oh, is it open? Coriander, parsley, and yeah. Hey. It's good to have in the morning. I have a picture like this. Really like mukbang. How do you say mukbang or mukbang? Ooh, I feel the energy. It's hitting my veins. The ones that you need, especially the one energy, stamina, clear-minded and stuff. Halfway kind of. The aromatic flavours of the stories. I love Jawaikas. Do you like Jawaikas? I do. The thing about green Jawaikas is that it just helps everything. Like, it's not just only for one thing like skin or whatever, it's for your whole life. Your whole life is in this bottle. Actually no, it's in the Bible, okay? The last little tinker tinker tinky.